channel, the Parchment Fam. So today is Sunday, May 9th, Mother's Day. And right now I'm in the kitchen cooking some food. So I'm preparing some salmon, right? But I just decided to vlog this late. I've been initially planned to do a vlog with this, but right now I fried the salmon and I'm gonna cook it on some Irish potatoes. Alright, so I have the Irish potato boiling, so I'm gonna show you that, right? So this is the Irish potato boiling down, and I have the season frying up right here. So I initially fried these and I'm gonna cook them down right now. So this is the salmon right here, as you can see. I'm gonna make some gravy in the pot. Down, but let me see if I can show this water in here. This is the seasoned water that I seasoned the fish with before I fried. So I'm gonna show it in here now. So basically I have green peppers, onions, thyme, scallion, and some Jamaican stuff in here. So I'm going to make that simmer down. Then I add a little bit of ketchup and stuff in the gravy. Then I have these boil out a little bit. Here are the fish that I fried. I didn't fry these fully, I just make them fry a little bit. So salmon, salmon is very easy to cook, so you cannot fry too much. It will get squished out. It will get squished out when it's fried. Alright, and I don't want that to happen. So when it's cooking down, it will get squished because these cook very easy. So minimal frying, so we're gonna cook it down in this. Let it simmer in there once we get the gravy ready. So right now I'm gonna put a little bit more water in there because I'm doing 6 pieces of this salmon. Normally I never do so much because I'm eating it like only one day, so I just do 1 day's amount or 2 days. Yeah, that's the salmon that I like. Here, and let this cook for a little bit, simmer down. This is the same oil I used to fry the fish. Throw it off some, leave a little bit in there, put the seasoning water in here, and then simmer. So I'm going to let that cook a little bit before I add the rest of seasoning to make the gravy. And then we're going to put in the fish. So let me put the cover over my frying pan here. Let that simmer down a little bit. This is the potato. I'll check on that right now. I'm going to let them boil a little bit more. You can see the fat not going through them fully yet. So I'm going to make it boil a little more. Yes, everyone, so happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Today is Mother's Day, and what I'm doing now, we didn't plan to cook initially, but hungry start bite, and we just say when we prepare something to eat, and salmon is the easiest thing right now because it's almost 6 o'clock in the evening and we're hungry and we can't do nothing where take too long to cook right about now. So draft is something easy, alright? So now the gravy cooking down, simmering down right now, right here, you see? It is simmered. We're going to add the rest of seasoning, the ketchup and thing to give it the color. And stay tuned. I'm going to give you an update soon as I check on the pot again, alright? So stay tuned. Yeah, everyone, so basically I know we haven't been posting that regular, but basically it's because I'm kind of busy, with work and all that, but we're trying our best to keep you guys posted on what's going on with the pregnancy and everything. We're trying to get content out there, but most times I'm on the road, I'm working, and my wife is home, and both of us, we do the videos together. As you can see on our channel, the majority of the videos is both of us. My wife might have a few by herself, but we basically plan them together and do them, but sometimes we plan them and I'm home late or something happens with work sometimes. But I'm not using that as an excuse or a complaint, trying to get back on track, right? We haven't posted a vlog in a while. I haven't posted any cooking vlogs in a while, so I'm trying to get one up here now. I was in the kitchen cooking, wasn't planning to do this vlog as I said before, but I'm gonna do it, put it out there for you guys, alright? So hope you enjoy it. Okay, so this is the pot here with the seasoning and everything. Simmering that down. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna get the spoon that I was using here, and we're gonna check the seasoning. These are very soft now. See? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go put the spoon there, get ketchup from here. Alright, so this is the ketchup. I'm gonna put some ketchup in the frying pan now.
Whoa, 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 whoa,
Grab a spoon, stir this. Sure, we're gonna need more ketchup. Pretty sure. Pretty sure that we're gonna need more. So turn down the stove a little bit. Gonna get some more ketchup because this definitely needs more ketchup. In this button here. Alright. Let's open this. Gonna go the old Jamaican style. We're gonna wash out this. Because right now the ketchup stuck in the bottom. In the bottom of the bottle. Get a little water in there. That. Stir it around. That goes the bottle. And we're gonna move that in. So Jamaican style, wash out the ketchup, don't waste nothing. Right, good. You can ketchup that a little bit there. So I'm gonna open this, throw it out in the frying pan. Now I'm satisfied with opening another bottle. So I'm gonna put some fridge. That's done. And we're gonna stir this again. So I'm gonna leave this, make it simmer down a little before we put our fish in there. So let me see if I get another ketchup. Know somewhere around here, so somewhere. Alright, see one here. Keep some brown in here. Take that down. It's down. Take ketchup behind. See in here? See in here, baby? Ketchup on here side. There we go. So, put that back. That we got the new ketchup. Alright. Then this is gonna probably require 2 months, no? So make it strong. So open this ketchup here. Right. This ketchup, people, this ketchup is not too soft. This is the simply no artificial sweeteners or anything here. That's what it says. Sometimes you know the label says otherwise. But you can't go about that sometimes. They have like anything. this seems it's a big frying pan with a lot of water, so I'm gonna do the noodles. Let's do this again. Thickness of everything. So let's see the potatoes now. Look at this. Now the fat going straight through. So basically potato can turn off, as you can see. Fat I go through with the big potato there. So go through them easy now, so potato can turn off. Cover the top, and we're going to turn it for Irish potatoes. So here you can see fish gravy simmering. Thyme, scallion, Jamaican scotch bonnet, onion, and sweet pepper slices. Simmering, as you can see. Fish. There's a fish. Nice, right? You know, it's not cooked down. It's just fried, right? So stay tuned. I'm gonna put this in very soon. Hey everyone, so right now I'm gonna put in the fish. So here it is. That's simmering, so now we can put our fish inside. We're gonna see how I can do this. I'm sure I'm gonna need both hands. Alright? Let me find out this like this. So I'm gonna put in the first piece of fish right here. See? So now we have 6 pieces of fish. 2. So what I did, I kind of break a little piece off each so it fits better in the frame. Here's the fish. There it is. In. Someone is really nice. These pieces in there. So we need a lot of gravy because we're gonna use put gravy and potatoes also. So let's put these in. This piece, this is the last piece. There. Make sure we get it fit. Alright, there we go. The salmon stay in the gravy, cooked up a little bit. So we're not gonna let this cook for long because salmon is very, very easy to cook. We don't want this to cook yourself. Alright, so now the salmon is cooking down. Then we leave that to simmer, and then we're gonna take that off, put through the potato, and have a nice feast. So stay tuned. Get that one cooking down, people. Salmon looks nice. So I'm gonna look at you guys as soon as I'm gonna check on this. Okay? So that's the salmon. down, get in there, have a few couple more minutes, and then, as you can see, we have a lot of gravy because my family love gravy. So we're gonna put it in the potato as well. You know that takes a lot of gravy. So we pretty much soak the potato with gravy. That's how it is. So we're gonna crush out the potato. Alright? Right, so it's looking nice so far. And that's the Irish potatoes. So I'm gonna crush those out in the plate when we're done. And then get them ready for the plate. Alright? And I'm gonna keep it posted.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. On fire. Oh, 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 fire.
Okay everyone, so I'm done sharing the plates. Here's how that looks. So I'm gonna cover this for a minute and take the food in for my wife to get a look and her mother's day plate. Okay, so I'm gonna actually have her taste it on camera as well and give me her reaction. Alright, take this in for her and ready this and go off this plate and see her reaction. Alright, so I'm gonna have my son open the door. She's cleaning, so mind us. Here it is. That's her Mother's Day plate. And she's gonna taste and tell us what she thinks. Alright, so that's potatoes and cooked down salmon.
Dad,
What's that?
How does it taste?
Mommy,
Tastes good.
Hmm?
Tastes good.
Mommy,
Thanks.
That's the Mother's Day dinner for today. Cooked down salmon with, I'm gonna say, Jamaican style cooked salmon with Irish potatoes, alright? And we got our approval there that it's delicious and no complaints. So you hear no complaints, especially from her.
Yes, but that's
Very
not complimentary.
Alright?
Okay, that's the complimentary.
Okay, so everyone, you saw her reaction. She liked the food, and I'm done cooking for today. That was the Jamaican style cooked salmon with Irish potatoes. Alright, so let me give you another look before I close off this video. So there it is, the cooked salmon with potatoes. I do have 2 potatoes left over. I'm sure no one's gonna get this right now because you guys are too far. Alright, and this is my plate right here. Okay everyone, so thank you for watching. We've come to the end of another vlog on the channel, the Parchment Fam. Go ahead and subscribe if you like what you saw. hit that notification bell to get notified when we upload on the channel. And for regular viewers, thank you for watching, thank you for your support. And we have a lot of different videos on the channel. Go ahead and check it out. We have travel vlogs, as you can see, cooking, as you just watched, vlogs, DIYs, various amount of videos on the channel in different catalogs. So go ahead, check it out, and join the family. All right, thank you for watching again. Peace.